10:15 Tuesday, January 30, 2024. $200. Harbor Freight Doyle 6.5-inch or 6-inch ductile iron vise with 360-degree rotation ability, 9,900 pound clamping force, ductile cast iron, 68 pounds. Probably too heavy for me to lift on my own. Where should I mount this? My options include this stand here right now. I could potentially mount on this grinder stand. Do you have a router table coming? Probably preliminarily I'll put the router table there rather than this small thing. This is the place to put it. How immense this thing is. I'll be tempted to try to lift this with my bad back. My back is very unstable right now. Monstrosity here. So this vise is very much, I think, modeled after the vintage American-made Craftsman vise of me to try to lift this thing on my own. Keeping the weight open. Keeping the weight. Will I be able to can I do a weight transfer onto this?